Hi, welcome to Parnika Maths. Today we are going to discuss exercise 5.289 problems. See the question. Two trains leave a railway station at the same time. The first train travels towards west and the second train travels towards north. The first train travels 5 kilometers per hour faster than the second train. If after 2 hours they are 50 kilometers apart, find the average speed of each train. We have to find this, no? Let you think this as a station. One station. What they said? The first train travels towards west. You know the directions, no? East, west, north, south. This is the station. What they said? The first train travel towards the west. First train is traveling towards the west. Is it okay? And the second train towards the north. The second train is going this side towards the north. The first train travels 5 kilometers faster than the second train. This is second train. No, if I take this as x, the first train is traveling 5 kilometers per hour faster than the second train. X plus 5 kilometers per hour faster than the second train. This is first train, this is second train. First train is traveling towards west and the second train is traveling towards north. If I take the average speed as x, here I am writing, let the first train speed be x. Second train speed equals to what? Second train I have taken it as x, no? The first train is 5 kilometers per hour faster than the second. So it becomes x plus 5. Did you understand, ma? I am taking the second train speed as x. Then the first train speed becomes x plus 5. Next, what they said? If after 2 hours, how much hours they have traveled? 2 hours. If after 2 hours, they are 50 kilometers apart. What is the distance between them? 50 kilometers apart. Find the average speed of each train. Average speed we have to find it. See here. By this we can see, no? What is this? Triangle, no? And this is the hypotenuse, no? Right angle triangle, no? If I take A, B and C, nothing. Hypotenuse square equals to AB square plus BC square. This you take it as ABC. It is common also, I am taking ABC. Hypotenuse square. AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Everybody know that, no? AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. What is AC, ma? Here hypotenuse. What they have given? The two trains are 50 kilometers apart. Means what is the distance here? Hypotenuse 50. 50 square equals to AB square. What is AB? 2 into x plus 5 whole square plus BC square. What is BC, ma? 2x square. Why I have multiplied with 2, ma? Here in the question they said if after 2 hours they are 50 kilometers apart. After 2 hours they are 50 kilometers apart. So with 2 I am multiplying both. I am taking the second train speed as x and the first train speed is 5 kilometers more than the second train. So it becomes x plus 5. But they said after 2 hours the distance between the trains is 50 kilometers apart. So I am multiplying both with 2. See here, we know that AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. From that, see, solve this. 2 square, 50 square. What for 5 is 5 5 is 25, no? 2500. equals to, solve this, 2 square 4 x plus y whole square plus 2 2s are 4x square. Now solve this ma. 2500 equals to 4 into a plus b whole square. What is the formula? X square a square plus b square plus 2ab 5 2s are 10x plus 4x square. Now solve this. Multiply with 4. 2500 equals to 4 into x 4x square plus 25 4s are 100 plus 4 10s are 40x plus 4x square. See here, 4x square 4x square. How much? 8x square plus 40x plus 100. If I send this to this side, minus 2500 equals to 0. So what is the equation? 8x square plus 40x. Here 2500 minus 100. 2400 minus 2400. Now take 8 as common. What it will become? 8 as common. In the what is the remaining term? X square. 8 table 40, where it will get? 8 5s are 40x minus 2500 divided by 8. 8 3s are 24. 0 0 300 equals to, here 8 is multiplying. If I send to that side, it will divide. So what is our equation becomes? X square plus 5x minus 300 equals to 0. Now for this, take the factors. Minus 300 x square now with 2. If I take 2 1s, 2 5s, 150. And the next, see here, how much I want to get? 5 ma. So if I give this 0 to here, 20 into 15 is 300. 20 minus 15, 5. I am getting no, here minus symbol is there. So for 1 we have to keep plus and 1 we have to keep minus. What is the symbol here? Plus. So for keep plus here, for bigger number plus and smaller number minus. X square x. Now add this both. 20 minus 15, 5. Is it okay? In the place of this, substitute here. X square minus 15x plus 20x minus 300 equals to 0. Take x as common. X minus 15 plus x as common. 20 as common. X minus 15s are not 20 15s are already we did. 20 into 15 300 equals to 0. So solve this. X minus 15 equals to 0. X plus 20 equals to 0. X equals to 15. X equals to minus 20. Will the speed be in the negative value? No, this will be cancelled. Therefore, the speed of second train equals to x, that equals to 15. Now, speed of first train equals to x plus 5, that equals to 15 plus 5, that equals to 20. That's all. Our problem is completed. What they said, ma? The first train is traveling towards west and the second train is traveling towards the north. The distance between them is 50 kilometers when they travel after 2 hours. See, the speed of second train is x. The speed of first train becomes x plus 5. In the question they have given. We know that in the right angle triangle, AC square, hypotenuse square equals to side square plus side square. So AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So I solved it. At last I got 2 values. This is negative value. So I neglected this. Therefore the speed of a second train is x, that equals to 15, and the first train is 20. Did you understand? Shall we go to next problem? See the question. In a class of 60 students, what is the total number of students, ma? total number of students equals to 60. Each boy contributed rupees equal to the number of girls and each girl contributed rupees equal to the number of boys. If the total money they collected was 1600, how many boys are there in the class? I don't know the number of boys, no. I am taking let number of boys equals to x. Therefore, number of girls equals to, what is the number of girls, ma? Total minus number of boys, no. Therefore, number of girls equals to 60 minus x. Next, money contributed by boys equals to what, ma? What they said? Each boy contributed rupees equal to the number of girls. Means each boy contributed the money equal to the number of girls. 60 minus x. Number of boys is x. How much money they have contributed equals to the number of girls. So 60 minus x. What it will become? 60x minus x into x square. Again, money contributed by girls. What is the money contributed by girls? See, each girl contributes rupees equal to the number of boys. Each girl means how many girls are there? 60 minus x. How much money they have contributed equal to the number of boys? What is the number of boys here? X. That equals to what? 60 into x. 60x minus x into x square. If the total money they collected was rupees 1600, means money collected from boys and money collected from girls equals to 1600. So add this both. 60x minus x square plus 60x minus x square, this one equals to total how much, ma? 1600. Now solve this. Minus x square minus 2x square. 60 how much? 120x. Send this to this side. Minus 1600 equals to 0. I am taking minus 2 as a common. Then what is the terms remaining? X square minus 6 2s are no 120x minus plus 8 2s are 16 no 800 equals to 0. So therefore I am sending minus 2 to this side. 0 by minus 2 equals to 0. 0 by anything equals to 0, no. Therefore x square minus 60x plus 800 equals to 0. Now take the factors, ma, here. For first term and last term, 800x square. With 2 to 4s are 400. See here, if I send 1 to here, 20 into 40. 20 into 40 how much? 800. I want 60. 20 plus 40? 60, no. So what is the symbol here? Plus. So I have to keep plus for both or minus for both. What is the symbol here? Minus. So for keep the minus symbol for both. Now what is the equation becomes? X square minus 20x plus minus 40x plus 800 equals to 0. Take x common. X minus 20. Here again minus 40 is common. X minus 20 equals to 0. Here x minus 20 into x minus 40 equals to 0. Therefore, I am directly writing, ma, if I send minus 20 to that side, x equals to 20. If I send minus 40 to that side, x equals to 40. That is, therefore, number of boys equals to 20 here. The number of girls equals to how much? 60 minus 20. That equals to 40. Here see, if number of boys equals to 40, the number of girls equals to 60 minus 40. That equals to 20. So, what we said? If boys is 20, girls may be 40. If boys is 40, girls may be 20. Therefore, what are the values? 20, 40. Did you understand? Easy, no? Number of boys equals to x. Number of girls 60 minus x. Money contributed boys equals to number of girls. So x into 60 minus. In the same way, money contributed by girls. What are the number of girls? 60 minus x. How much money they have contributed equal to number of boys into x. Addition of this both is equals to 1600. By solving it, we got two values. If boys is 20, girls become 40. If boys is 40, girls become 20. So the values are 20 and 40. That's all. Our problem is completed. If you have any doubt, give in the comment box. I will explain you. If you like my video, press on the like button, share my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.